In this video I will do a technical analysis of BCL Industries, and I will also tell you where is my entry, where is my SL, and what target I am expecting. I will also tell you if there is any point where you can enter into this trade. So this is chart of BCL Industries. This is weekly chart. Look at this from year to year. It has given a good moment. Again here just little bit downtrend and then consolidation, right? So it was just consolidating for some time. Now this is a daily time frame. If you draw a resistance line, let me draw. So this is a resistance line and this is a support line. So basically it is look like a triangle pattern, and it was trading in a triangle pattern for quite some time, like from July to December, means almost 5 to 6 months, and finally it has given a breakout here, right? So let me show you where I enter. So this is, look at this selling in the pattern. So here is the buying, strong buying, weak selling, again little bit sideways movement, again here little bit at the start selling was strong, but as it comes at support the selling pressure decrease. Look at this buying pressure, it's a strong, it shows a strong buying, right? After breakout it was took some time, traded for 2 3 days. So this is on a daily chart. Let me show you on hourly chart. So this is how it is looking after breakout on hourly chart. So my entry was somewhere around here. So this is 15-minute chart. If you draw here, this is look like a channel pattern. So my entry was somewhere around here 67 70, somewhere around here my entry. My stop SL is below this, because I don't want to get that much risk. So this is how my trade will look like. Just a moment. This is 15-minute. Let's go on 1 hour chart. So on 1 hour chart this is how it is looking. Let's go on daily chart. So on daily chart this is how it is looking. In 2 days it has went up really well. In 2 days my profit is somewhere around 15%. Here is the profit, 15% in 2 days. Then where right now I will show you if there is any opportunity to enter or not. So let me draw one thing. So here is our new line. Let's go on hourly chart. So after breakout it took a small retest here, then now it is again going up. So if stock comes something like this, and then again if goes above this, you can enter somewhere around here, right? So your entry will be somewhere around here. After showing a strong reversal, you can place your SL just below, don't take too much risk. So this is how it your entry will look like. So if you enter here, then your SL will be little bit big. Let's say you want to enter here, so your SL will be almost 9 to 10%. So wait for some time to reverse it, and your SL will come somewhere around 6 to 5%, depends on your entry, right? So if it comes here for the retest, you will have a good entry point. If not, then don't try to enter, because your SL will be high. If you want to still go with the small quantities and try to minimize your risk, right? So let me show you what target I am expecting. So this is Fibonacci. So my target I am expecting is somewhere around here. So this is target I am expecting. Let me show you how much percentage it is. So almost 30% target I am expecting from this stock. It has already given me 50%. So let's see how it is moving. If I see any reversal here, strong reversal here, I might quit from this trade. If not, then I will continue to hold it. So this is all in this video. Thank you for watching.